In the sun-soaked paradise of Miami Beach, homeowners are no strangers to the demands of the coastal climate. From intense heat and humidity to powerful storms and salty air, the environment can take a toll on your home's exterior, especially your doors. But beyond protecting your home, your doors also play a critical role in your home's energy efficiency. If your doors are outdated, drafty, or worn, upgrading them is one of the smartest investments you can make for both comfort and cost savings. Here's why replacing your doors in Miami Beach isn't just about style, it's about energy-smart living. Combat the heat with better insulation. Miami Beach's tropical climate means long, hot summers and minimal relief in the winter. If your doors aren't properly insulated, you could be losing a significant amount of cool air, forcing your air conditioning system to work overtime. Modern energy-efficient doors are designed with materials that limit heat transfer. Doors made from fiberglass or steel with a solid polyurethane foam core offer excellent thermal performance. This means your home stays cooler longer, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and ultimately lowering your energy bills. Bonus tip: look for ENERGY STAR rated doors to ensure they meet strict efficiency standards designed for Florida's climate. Prevent air leaks and drafts. Older doors often suffer from gaps, warped frames, or deteriorated weather stripping, all of which allow warm air in and cool, conditioned air out. These air leaks don't just make your home uncomfortable, they also increase your monthly energy expenses. New doors, when properly installed, come with tight-fitting frames and high-quality seals that minimize air leakage. This not only keeps your indoor climate consistent but also reduces humidity intrusion, a key concern in coastal homes like those in Miami Beach. Protect against moisture and humidity. Miami Beach's salty air and high humidity levels can wreak havoc on door materials over time. Wood doors may swell, crack, or rot, leading to gaps and poor insulation. By upgrading to moisture-resistant materials like fiberglass or treated steel, you prevent these issues and extend the lifespan of your doors. Fiberglass doors, in particular, are resistant to warping and are ideal for the coastal environment. They maintain their integrity in extreme conditions, ensuring long-term performance and consistent energy savings. Storm-ready and energy-smart living in a hurricane-prone area like Miami Beach means your doors must also offer storm protection. The good news is that many impact-rated doors are also energy efficient. These doors feature reinforced cores, multi-point locking systems, and double or triple pane glass, if applicable, all of which help insulate your home. By upgrading to hurricane-rated energy-efficient doors, you're getting dual benefits: protection from extreme weather and reduced cooling costs year-round. Long-term savings and home value boost. While upgrading your doors requires an upfront investment, the long-term returns make it worthwhile. Improved energy efficiency leads to lower utility bills, and durable, high-performance doors mean fewer repair and replacement costs down the road. Plus, modern doors enhance your home's curb appeal and market value. In a competitive real estate market like Miami Beach, energy-efficient upgrades are increasingly attractive to eco-conscious buyers. This means a new door can pay off now in savings, and later if you decide to sell. Conclusion: in a place like Miami Beach, where the climate demands smart, durable, and efficient home solutions, upgrading your doors is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's a savvy investment. From reducing your cooling bills and improving comfort to protecting against the elements and boosting your home's value, energy-efficient doors deliver significant benefits. Whether you're replacing a single entryway or upgrading multiple doors around your home, make sure you choose high-quality, weather-resistant materials and trusted installation professionals. The result? A more efficient, comfortable, and stylish home that's built to withstand the coastal lifestyle.